Wanna know how to use hash maps in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily use and get hash maps. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So we have this current code right here. So under this code, this one's a hash map. Hash map is a mini database of key value pairs. We made a hash map in this code right here that stores country names as keys and the capitals as values. So .put, that is located right around here. So this simply prints out its key and value like Nepal and Kathmandu right there. So we use .get parenthesis. So it's a function to pull the value back. So get Nepal gives us Kathmandu, and that's it. I hope this video helped. You can just simply run it up to check its results. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.